Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Nissan Pathfinder with the keys inside. First, always check every door and the trunk. Sometimes one is simply ajar. Next, think about your spare key. Do you have one at home, or perhaps a trusted family member or friend has access to it? Retrieving a spare key is often the quickest and safest solution, saving you time and potential expense. This simple check can prevent further hassle. If a spare key isn't an option, professional help is your next best step. Your vehicle's roadside assistance plan often includes lockout services, so give them a call. Alternatively, a certified automotive locksmith can arrive quickly, usually within 30 minutes, and has specialized tools to open your Nissan Pathfinder without causing any damage. Be ready to provide your vehicle's exact location and model information for faster service. For a do-it-yourself approach, you can use a plastic wedge and a long reach tool. Carefully insert the wedge into the top corner of the driver's side door frame, creating a small opening, perhaps 1/2 inch wide. Then, using a long reach tool, gently maneuver it inside to press the unlock button on the door panel or to retrieve your keys directly. Exercise caution to avoid bending the door frame or scratching the paint. To prevent future lockouts, consider utilizing Nissan Connect services, which often offer remote unlocking capabilities through a smartphone app. This can be a lifesaver when you're away from home. Also, always keep a spare key in a secure, easily accessible place, perhaps with a trusted neighbor or in a magnetic hide-a-key box. Finally, make it a habit to always check for your keys before you close your vehicle's door.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.